Today I'm fixing this. Broken outer door handles. If you have a 914, you may already know what this problem is. This is the door lever or door cam actuator inside the outer handle. Just a little plastic piece that slides along this shaft with a tab that then pushes on something inside the door to unlatch it. Both the passenger and driver's side are like this, so I can only open it from the inside. Because of that, the windows had to be left down, and before I bought it, it was stored outside for a while. Despite that, the interior managed to stay in pretty decent shape. In order to get access to this, I needed to remove the door panel. It's pretty typical. The window crank, armrest, door lever, and in my case, an extra speaker in the door are secured with screws, and the panel itself is secured to the door with those common plastic clips. Then it just lifts right off. So let's get to it. So my theory on why these fail is that the lubrication in the mechanism probably dries up over time, causing you to need to put more force on the outer lever to open it, combined with cold temperatures making the plastic more brittle. So I'm cleaning and lubricating the crap out of this before I reinstall it. The hardest part about putting all this back together is hooking the rod from the inner door handle up to the latch. You kind of have to do this blindly, but essentially at the end of this rod is a hook, and you poke it through this hole in the latch mechanism. Then slide the thin metal bracket over the end of the hook to prevent the rod from then pulling out of that hole. This took a lot of patience, and it's really tight space for your hands to work. Once that's hooked back up, it's done. Thanks for watching.